Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of banned account on AI Chatbot Nova. We click on settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then you will search for AI Chatbot Nova app. Then we click on first stop and we click OK. Here we go to storage. Then we click on clear cache. After that we click on Play Store. We'll search for AI Chatbot Nova app. Here we'll uninstall your app and you will install it again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.